Okay, we are going to demonstrate the famous volcano reaction. You can do it a couple different ways. I'm going to show you one with using soap and one without using soap, and then maybe add some food coloring to it. I'm going to put gloves on, but really all you're using is baking soda and vinegar and maybe some food coloring. And like I said, clear soap works best if you want to change the colors. Vinegar is really mostly, or actually not mostly, but only 5% acetic acid. So this is going to be an acid-base reaction. So this is our acid. Baking soda is mostly sodium bicarbonate. This is going to act as a base. So this creates an acid-base reaction, which we'll see is a special type of acid-base reaction, one that we call a gas-forming acid-base reaction, which you'll see in the form of bubbles, producing carbon dioxide. So I like to use a little bit of vinegar first, usually about, I don't know, a cup and a half. It's all up to you. I like to put it on a tray or in the sink or outside so that if it does make a mess, it's all contained. So I'm just going to pour, I don't know, maybe 2 cups in there. And then I'm gonna do nothing to this one. I'm gonna add a little bit of soap to this one, just one little drop. And stir that up. You might need a stirring rod or like a spoon or something. Try not to make it too foamy. Just stir it up so you get all the soap kind of uniformly mixed in there. And then we'll do another drop of soap in here and we'll add some food coloring to see what it looks like. You only need maybe 1 or 2 drops, not too much. And then we can stir that up too. Again, try not to stir it up too much to get the soap bubbles to start forming, but we'll get that out of the way. And then we're just going to add our baking soda and just dump some in there. I usually use like a measuring cup here at the lab. Obviously I can use a spatula. You can just dump it in there directly if this is hopefully broken up a little bit. But I'm going to use a small beaker. Get some baking soda. Now when we do the soap, it kind of slows down the reaction a little bit, but it does make it a little bit more foamier. You can see you have a little bit of foam as it compared to the other one. And then our food coloring version, whoops, there's some spilling. And you can do this at home. Like I said, I would do this outside. I just went over the tray. And it's a nice little demo.